Imagine watching live TV, and right before your eyes, a woman vanishes into thin air. No smoke, no mirrors, gone forever. This actually happened, and no one can explain how. It was a regular morning broadcast, a live news show in Denmark. As the camera panned across a crowd of people at an airport, one woman, standing, smiling, suddenly faded out of existence. Thousands witnessed it live. When the footage was replayed frame by frame, she simply blinked out. No one walking behind her, no cuts, no visual glitches detected. She was there, and then she wasn't. Skeptics claimed it was a camera error, maybe a digital artifact. But experts analyzed the footage and found no signs of tampering. Some suggested quantum glitches, moments where realities overlap. Others believed it was a case of real-time dimensional phasing, that she accidentally stepped into a different plane of existence. Without warning, the woman was never identified. No missing persons report. No one came forward claiming to know her. Even more bizarre, the news channel never officially addressed the incident. The clip was quietly pulled offline, but not before viewers saved and circulated it around the internet. Was this a glitch in reality? A government cover-up? Or a random, terrifying event that could happen to any of us? What do you think happened? Drop your theories in the comments. And for more chilling, real-life mysteries, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell before you disappear too.